We are going to be putting the backer in of the stove. So I got this stainless steel unit, got it made at a local sheet metal shop. Got a little bit of a discount on it. You can see how it's a little discolored right there. There was some dust on his roller and it created some indentions in it. And right now, honestly, with the timing, I really didn't have much of an option, but I got a little bit of a discount on it, which is awesome. We're gonna install this thing.
That's perfect. The air will just, as that heats, the air will heat behind it and it'll just keep a constant flow right there. That's perfect. Get your little stainless steel Alaska up there. Whoa.
That'd be cool.
How high does it set up on? It sets on
20 inches. So we have to write about that.
Oh, I mean, it has legs on it.
Oh yeah.
So, I was watching people who have another stove, which is the Cubic Mini.
Mm-hmm.
He said that when they fired theirs, he can put his hand underneath and it feels warm, but has never felt it hot. You know, so it's just not much heat's going down at all.
That's nice.
And I would say that probably you're going to have the same thing on this diesel. Yeah, it's got some little bitty indentures in there, but what does my friend say?
Adds character.
Adds character.
It's gonna look good with the sink and the fridge.
I think so too.
All right, Jim, what's the plan for today?
Well, we're going to put in this drawer for the trash cans. It'll hold these two trash cans right here, and that'll be under the sink. And then we're going to put in this drawer right here under the stove. That will hold a few pots and pans and those kind of things. And then we're going to help Chris get finished packing. And we're going to get him out of here pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
So today we're figuring out how to temporarily pack all the stuff in his bus.
Yep.
So,
last full day.
Last full day here. We're going to miss him, I'll tell you that. So, let's look at how you do this one. You just pull it out, all the way in, all the way up, and you drill it.
What we got going on today, Jim?
Yeah.
The garage is looking really good.
Hey, it's looking like a garage again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sure is.
So you're set to close in 3 days.
Thursday
Thursday, so 4 days.
would be the first.
That's exciting.
4 days.
So the new owner of the house Jim currently owns said that they might be interested in some of the wood that's left over. So I'm going to go through, pick out the wood that I might need for some additional cabinets. I might... What's up?
That you've been thinking about.
Yeah, maybe something in the back, something in the bathroom, but just have some pieces, store it in the bus. The bus is getting all loaded up. Got all of Jim's tools over here. A lot of my stuff's already moved in, but I need to go through these bins right here and figure out what I'm going to be taking, to the thrift store. Plan was to leave today, but as we're getting pushed back, might be very early tomorrow because I still have to drop off stuff like this. This is the vent hood that I never used. There's just a bunch of stuff here I'm not using, and the thrift store's closed, and also got to burn some stuff too, and it might be getting a little bit too late today as it can't be dark. But we'll get it figured out. We still got plenty to do here anyway, so gonna get to it.